chapter is solving the quadratic equation by the method of factorization. Factorization. Okay, what is this? Let's do a basic question first so that you will be able to develop clarity. Yeah, let's do question number. Actually, the question is asking for something else, but since I'm telling you that we need to discuss first method of factorization for solving quadratic equation, so we can take this particular equation, this one. This one, 3x square minus 6x minus 2 is equals to 0. We want to solve this quadratic equation and we want to take out the value of x. Instruction will be given that find the roots of the quadratic equation or find the solution of the quadratic equation. That means you are supposed to find the x value. The way you were finding the zeros in polynomial chapter, this type of quadratic equation, when asked that use the method of factorization to solve it, you will be solving in the same manner. At first, it looks like ax square bx plus c is equals to 0. You will say a is 3, b is minus 6, and c is minus 2, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will do the multiplication of a with c. What are we doing? Splitting the middle term. Okay, our a is 3, our c is minus 2. What are we getting? 6. Minus 6. But the sign we will be able to adjust. If you do another way, you can follow that particular way. So 6, we want to break this 6. Wait. So that we will be getting the middle term, that is 6. Now you know 6 taken as, wait, no, have I taken the correct quadratic equation or not? 3 2 times 6. Just a moment, no. Wait. Okay, let's take a basic quadratic equation at first. Suppose we are having x square plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. And we want to solve by method of factorization. So if we have to solve it by using the method of factorization, we will be solving it Just the way you do is splitting the middle term. Here you will see what is A, what is B, what is C. Then we will do the multiplication of A and C, that is 6. Then we will try splitting it so that we will be getting the middle term. So 3 and 2 we are getting. And now we will take common factor, and from there we will take out the x value. These things you have done in polynomial chapter, right, Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
Same thing we are doing over here. Exactly same thing we are doing over here. What are we doing? We are finding the solution. We are finding the roots. We are finding the x value from here. We are solving the quadratic equation. And this way only always we will solve the quadratic equation. You can see this is 3. You can see we are getting x plus 3, we are getting x plus 2. Our x value is minus 3 minus 2, and we are done with the solution. Yes, we have used the method of factorization for solving this quadratic equation. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this chapter, so many things are there which is just exactly like, okay, the polynomial, because there also we were focusing on, quadratic polynomial, and here the chapter is quadratic equation. You can see the question number 38, the roots of the quadratic equation. Can you please find it, everyone? Amir, Abdullah, and Sarah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I got
What you got, Amir?
minus 2 and 5. Option B.
Yes, Abdullah and Sarah, I'm waiting for your response. Meanwhile, Amir, you can try question number 40.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to use factorization only, right? Like splitting the middle term.
You need to factor it.
Is it option C, ma'am?
You got the same answer?
Option C, I think.
Option C. Let me check. Okay, so 10 we are splitting 5 2 times 10. 5 and 2 is giving the middle term. So I'm writing x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 is equals to 0. Okay, x we will take out common. We are left with x plus 5 minus 2 we will take out common. We are left with x plus 5. Okay, the two brackets will be x plus 5 and x minus 2, right? Right.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
From here I can see the x value. X plus 5 is 0, or maybe x minus 2 is 0. X plus 5 is 0 is giving us x equals to negative 5, and x minus 2 0 is giving us x equals to positive 2. Negative 5 and positive 2, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Option A. Is it making sense? We have to be specific with the sign because all the options look same only. Getting it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 4040. 4040. 3x square is equals to 6x. We have to solve it. This is quadratic? Yes. Yeah, the highest power of the variable is 2. It is quadratic. 3x square is equals to 6x. It is quadratic. And please don't say xx gone. 3 2 times 6 and the x value is just okay. You are in higher grade, you are in class 10. If any student is in class 9, then that student can give only one answer and we will accept it. But since you know that quadratic equation will give maximum two answers, so yeah, let's focus over here. We are having 3x square is equals to 6x. Whenever you will encounter this condition, just take this 6x to this side. You will be having 3x square minus 6x is equals to 0. Now you need to use the method of factorization. Okay, that means that doesn't mean that every time you have to use splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term is not the only way to do the factorization. In class 9, the whole polynomial chapter is filled with factorization. How to do factorization of quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, how to use identities. So here we will do factorization. I'm not telling is splitting the middle term because that is not the only way. स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म सिर्फ एक हमारे पास तरीका नहीं है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने का. ओके वो एक तरीका है. ऐसे हमें फैक्टराइजेशन पार्ट हमारा क्लियर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब भी हमें कोई क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना होगा हम डिफरेंट वेज यूज करेंगे. हो सकता है कभी हमें ये फॉर्मूला भी यूज करना पड़े, दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर इज एक्स प्लस वाई इन वन ब्रैकेट एंड एक्स माइनस वाई इन अनदर ब्रैकेट. ये भी, ये फॉर्मूला भी हमें हेल्प कर रहा है क्या करने में, फैक्टराइजेशन करने में. ओके, सो फैक्टराइजेशन का मतलब ही होता है समथिंग इनटू समथिंग. फैक्टराइजेशन का मतलब ही होता है समथिंग इनटू समथिंग. ओके, तो हम सोचते हैं कैसे फैक्टराइज करें. 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x, वी कैन टेक आउट 3x कॉमन एंड इन द ब्रैकेट विल बी लेफ्ट विद x minus 3. Is it clear to everyone? I mean 2. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What we did over here, factorize. We have done the factorization on the left hand side. Now we can say that either 3x is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. And what are we getting? We are going to get x value as a 0 by 3, that means 0, and x equals to 2. There are two answers we are getting. One is 0, another is 2. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's called factorization. So you need to think that what can be done over here. Yes, majorly you will be using splitting the middle term, but that is not the only way. Your question can contain different scenarios and accordingly you have to work. We are getting x value as a 0 and another was 6. No, 2. Option D. Okay. Question number 40, option D. If you understood so far that what are we doing, then let's do question number 49. 49. 1 by x plus 4, 1 by x minus 7, 11 by 30. Yes, Abdullah, you need to solve the whole exercise where we are having just basic question based on the method of factorization. Every time you have to use splitting the middle term and you will be getting your answer. Question number 49, this
Oh,
type of question is not there in your NCRT, but yeah, once you are clear with those type of question, you need to be clear with this one. Let's do it. Okay, let's do. We will take out LCM over here because we don't know what to do. Okay, let's take out LCM. Our LCM will be the first denominator and the next denominator are completely different from each other. So we are gonna have x plus 4 over here and x minus 7 over here. Nothing is okay, nothing is same in both the denominator, hence multiplication between both while taking out the LCM. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now we compare the previous denominator with the current denominator, the present denominator. So previously the first denominator was x plus 4 and currently the denominator is x plus 4 multiplied with x minus 7. So what is extra? X minus 7. That we need to multiply in the numerator as well. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next denominator over there, the second term's denominator is x minus 7. If we are just comparing it with the complete denominator, which we have obtained by LCM, x minus 7 is there, but here x plus 4 is extra. So that we need to multiply with the numerator. Since our numerator is just 1, so we are multiplying and writing it directly. Okay, let's write the next step. So far, anyone having any confusion?
No, no.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we are left with x minus 7 minus x minus 4 over this 2 multiplied together. We will multiply them, but not now, is equals to 11 by 30. Now in numerator, you can see xx gone. It's completely fine. It's completely okay. We are getting minus 7 minus 4 as minus 11. Minus 11 over x plus 4 multiplied with x minus 7 is equals to 11 over 30. Okay, if you are understanding that here 11, there 11, if we will maintain the same side, they will cancel out each other. Please do cancel them, because the lesser number you will be having, the easier it will be to proceed with. I'm talking about, I am telling that let's take this 11 over here in this side. Here it is in numerator, other side it will be in denominator. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, other, if nothing will match, then you have to do crisscross. Okay, distributive property and all. But since 11 is matching and we are thankful that we are able to reduce the number. Okay, now this is what we are having. Now crisscross multiplication, 30 will go to this side and this will come to this side. Okay, 30 will go to this side, but their minus sign is still there, so please be careful. Please be careful. You are having minus 30 over here. That is equals to x plus 4 multiplied with x plus x minus 7. Please don't think that it is already factorized, because it is not. Why? After doing the factorization, we want 0 on the other side. Then only we can say either this is 0 or that is 0. But that concept is not applicable when you are minus 30 you are having on the other side. You cannot say either x plus 4 is minus 30 or x minus 7 is minus 30. This is completely illogical. It is completely invalid. Okay, why we compare with 0? Because we understand that if two numbers are multiplied together and if the result is 0, then either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0 or both are 0. Okay, मैथ्स में कभी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि टू नॉन जीरोस नंबर आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होके जीरो बना रहे हैं. कोई भी रियल नंबर लेके चेक कर लो, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव कुछ भी लेके चेक कर लो, जीरो आंसर नहीं आने वाला. ओके, अगर हमारा एक नंबर जीरो होगा तभी हमें फाइनल आंसर जीरो मिलेगा. डू यू नो दैट? या फिर दोनों ही जीरो होंगे तभी हमारा फाइनल आंसर जीरो होगा. कोई भी हम रियल नंबर लेके मल्टीप्लाई करके देख सकते हैं, दोनों आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होके कभी जीरो नहीं बनाते. ऐसा जीरो हमें तभी मिलता है जब उन दोनों में से कोई एक नंबर जीरो। ओके, इसी लॉजिक को हम यूज करके बोलते हैं कि आफ्टर फैक्टराइजेशन इफ दिस ब्रैकेट दैट ब्रैकेट इज जीरो, तभी हम बोलते हैं कि या तो हमारा फर्स्ट वाला ब्रैकेट जीरो है या फिर हमारा सेकेंड वाला ब्रैकेट जीरो है, और यहाँ से हमें एक्स का वैल्यू निकल के आता है। बट अगर इन केस आरएचएस में जीरो ना होके 10 हो तो हम ये सारी बातें बिल्कुल नहीं कर पाएंगे। इसके बाद हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, ब्रैकेट ओपन करके 10 को इस लेफ्ट साइड में ले आके फैक्टराइज करके ओके प्रोसीड करना होगा। दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट अभी हमारे पास जो कंडीशन है, ये मत सोचना कि ऑलरेडी हमारे पास फैक्टराइज फॉर्म है, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव फैक्टराइज फॉर्म। ओके, जस्ट अ मोमेंट। Yeah. So we were solving this particular equation, and currently you are having x plus 4 multiplied with x minus 7 is equals to minus 30. You are having x plus 4 multiplied with x minus 7, just 7 is equals to minus 30. Please solve it. Yes, Inan, are you getting it?
Oh, ma'am, I got it into a case where we can do middle term splitting.
Okay. Yes, Inan, are you getting it? What are we doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 2 and 1.
Let me check it. Yes, x value we are going to get 2 and 1. Everyone getting the same? Is it clear how to deal with this scenario, this type of question?
Yes, ma'am.
Today, Abdullah, you'll be able to solve all the questions from NCRT because it's straightforward question you will be having over there. thinking about taking this question number E, but before taking it, let me check whether it is solvable or not, because this is just one of the option of one of the MCQ question. Just a moment, I am coming to the solution part for this particular question. Yeah, it is solvable. Okay, let's do it. So yeah, apart from that, Abdullah, you will be getting this type of quadratic equation. Amir, Inan, Sarah, you must have seen this type of quadratic equation. We have to solve by method of factorization. There is one more method, quadratic formula. Okay, and that will be very easier to use for this type of question. But what about the case when the question says that use the method of factorization for solving it? Again, we are going to use splitting the middle term. While splitting the middle term, what we do, we multiply a with c. The moment we are multiplying a with c, we are going to get 1 multiplied with 10, that is just 10. Now what we do, we try factorizing this 10, so that those two number added together or subtracted together will give us the middle term over here. Our multiplication is 10. But before proceeding over here, do you know, have you learned in class 9? Have you learned in class 9 that 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3 is what?
5 root
5 root 3. Okay, similarly 6 root 5 minus 4 root 5 will be 2 root 5. We are just subtracting whole number from whole number, the way you do the subtraction of 6x minus 4x, and how quickly you say it will be 2x. Similarly, we are doing the subtraction 6 root 5 minus 4 root 5, and we are telling the answer is 2 root 5. These things you must have learned in class 9 only, in chapter 1, where you learned that these are irrational numbers and all. There only you must have learned the addition of two irrational, subtraction of two irrational, multiplication, division. So if you understand this logic, if you understand that 6 root 3 added with 2 root 3 will be 6, 7, 8, 8 root 3. That means we are adding a root 3 number, a number containing root 3 with the other number containing root 3, and then only the answer is reflecting root 3. Are you getting it?
yes ma'am.
If you are understanding this one, then only we can discuss this particular question, that in case you want two number added together will give you this middle term, or in case you want two numbers subtracted together will give you this middle term. So are you understanding, both must contain root 5 along with it. Whatever is there in front of root 5, whatever is there in front of root 5, but both must have root 5, then only we will add them, and the result will be something root 5. Yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
Is it making sense, Abdullah, Inan, Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am repeating that in case you want two number added together and your answer must be 3 root 5, then you must develop clarity that with the first number root 5 will be there. Okay, maybe 2 root 5, maybe 3 root 5, maybe 1 root 5, maybe whatever root 5, but root 5 will be there. The second number will also contain something root 5, then only the answer will contain root 5. Or maybe if you want the subtraction of two number as a 3 root 5, then you need to develop clarity that the first number must contain root 5 along with it, and the second number must contain root 5. Okay, it can be 6 root 5, it can be 7 root 5, whatever is there in front, but root 5 will be there. Okay, so here we want 3 root 5. We know along with the first number root 5 will be there, along with the second number root 5 will be there. Currently, if you will see, okay, suppose the first number is x and the second number is 5. Suppose, just okay, this way you don't have to solve the question, but for your clarity I am telling you. Okay, suppose you are having 10 and you are just taking x root 5 multiplied with y root 5, that is 10. Are you getting root 5? Root 5 is already given you, already giving you only 5. Can you see it? Only 5 already it is making. Root 5 into root 5 is just 5. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Are you getting? If we are
Yes.
having 10, if you want to make 10, already you are having 5 in hand. 5 multiplied with 2 is 10. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this xy you don't have to take. You need to understand that you want to factorize 10 and you have taken root 5 with both the number. That means already you are making 5. Already 5 you are getting from here. Is it making sense, Sarah and Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that means 5 multiplied with 2 is 10. Now still we need to make 2. 2 you need to make. But you are thinking those two number. Now our motto is two numbers multiplied together is 2. And those two number added or subtracted together is the 3. Is 3, the middle term. Making sense? Now our motto shifted and it is two number multiplied together is 2 and added or subtracted together is 3. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
That means we can take 2 into 1. We can take 2 into 1. Think about it. Can I take 2 into 1? Multiplied together is 2. Can I take 2 root 5 and 1 root 5?
Yes, yes,
Think
ma'am.
about it. Both added together will give you 3 root 5. And both multiplied together will give you 10. Check it. Are you getting it, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is what we are having. Abdullah, you are going to face this type of question in your exercise. Apart from that easy and simplest question, you will encounter this type of question also. And this way you have to proceed. Splitting the middle term you are using, AC you will multiply, you are getting 10. Now you are going to split this 10 to get the middle term. But you are realizing the middle term is containing a square root. That means you are thinking that both the number must contain root 5. Now, apart from root 5, what will be there in front? That will give you idea, this 3. Okay, that already root 5 multiplied together is giving you 5 and 2, 5 into 2 is 10. Okay, so this will be 2 into 1. X square minus 2 root 5 x minus root 5x, because 1 root 5 is just root 5, plus 10 is equals to 0. Now we just need to take out common factor. And here you will find that sometime you are struggling with taking out the common factor also. From the first two term, it is crystal clear that x is common, just x is common, and you are left with x minus 2 root 5. But from the next two term, if you are not getting, then write it separately that you are having root 5x, you are having 10. Just like the first chapter, LCM, HCF, how you used to factorize. Let's do the factorization. Root 5x means root 5 into x. And 10 means 2 into 5, 10. Now here you need to understand the first term is containing root 5 and the second term, this 5 is still you can break it. Can I write this 5 as a root 5 into root 5? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This way we will break in case our first term is containing root 5. Okay, think about it. You are having root 5x and you are having 10. What are you doing? Factorization. Root 5x means root 5 into x. And 10 means 2 into 5. Is it clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Ami, to you it is clear. Inan, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Sarah, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Atullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 2 into 5 we are having. We are thinking about taking out the common factor. Common factor is still, can you see anything common? No. But is it clicking in your mind that you can break this 5 as a root 5 into root 5? Okay, you can write this 5 as a root 5 into root 5. Is it allowed in mathematics? Of course it is allowed. 5 means root 5 into root 5. We can write it when required. We can write this way when required. Now you can see what is common: root 5 here, root 5 here. That is common. And what is remaining? X over there and 2 root 5 over here. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this way you need to develop clarity. Then only this type of question you will be able to do by method of factorization. Factorization method we are using. Quadratic formula will help us doing it easily. Okay, we want to take what common? Root 5, because this is giving us the clarity. Root 5 is common, and what is left in the first term? X is left. In the second term, 2 root 5 is left. Clearly you can see. If you can see, please tell me. Yeah, you are getting it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your X value is 2 root 5. Another X value is just root 5. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me take another question just like this. I can see this one, but before solving this one, let me check it. If you are thinking what I am checking the nature of the root, whether it is solvable or not. Okay, if it is solvable, then only we will be solving it. If it is not solvable, then those type of question you will never ever encounter. Okay, you are never ever going to encounter such question which is not solvable, but the question is telling you to solve it. Okay, so just a moment, let me check it first. Yeah, we'll be able to solve it. Let's do it. We are having 3x square. We are having minus 4 root 3 x, and we are having plus 4 is equals to 0. Splitting the middle term, we are going to use, at first we'll be doing the multiplication of AC. A and C multiplied together is 12.
Ma'am, can I leave 5 minutes early today? I have to go pray.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
So same type of question we'll be doing in the whole class. 12 we are having. We are trying to split this 12, factorize this 12, so that we will be getting the middle term. But our middle term is containing a square root 3. Square root 3. So I am bound to take the first number must contain a square root 3, and the second number must contain a square root 3. If you are thinking what I am writing something is square root 3 with something is square root 3. Those type of number only added together or subtracted together will give you 4 root 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Moment you are writing root 3 something root 3, just do the multiplication. No. Okay. See, if you are thinking what I'm talking about, I'm giving you one example. Suppose you are having 2 root 3 and you are having 6 root 3, two numbers. You can do the multiplication. Multiplication means 2 and 6 will get multiplied, you will be getting 12. Root 3 multiplied, you will be getting into 3. That means 36 is the answer. Do you know this type of multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I am telling that if you are having something root 3 in the first circle, something root 3 is there. In the second circle, something root 3 is there. Both multiplied together will be 12. Already, can you see root 3?
Ma'am,
It is giving you 3. Yes or no? Yes, Inan.
-2 and -2.
Yes, it will be 2 2. You can check it 2 root 3. 2 root 3 will give you 4 root 3. And are they multiplied together is giving us AC, that is 12. You can check it. They are making 12. They are making 12. 2 root 3, 2 root 3. When you will do the multiplication, it is 12. 2 to 4. Root 3, only 3. 4 3 is times 12. How he got to know it will be 2 root 3, 2 root 3? He got to know because he multiplied root 3. He realized already we are getting 3. We want to make 12, already 3 we are making. That means 4 more is required. 3 into 4 is 12. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 2 root 3, 2 root 3 we are getting 3x square minus 2 root 3x minus 2 root 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now the next step. This is one of the milestone we have crossed. And the next milestone is taking the common factor. And that is also not that simple. You need to have clarity that what is common factor, and if you are not understanding over here, then you need to write it separately to understand what will be the common factor from the first two term and from the next two term. Yes, Abdullah and Sara, are you getting it? Whatever I have written on the screen, that 2 root 3, 2 root 3 both added together is giving us 4 root 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You can see the first term is 3x square and the next term is 2 root 3x. I don't know what to take common factor from here, and that's why I'm writing in my rough part like this. Okay, still I'm not getting what to take common factor. I'm writing it over here and I'm understanding 3x square means 3 into x and 2 root 3x means 2 into root 3 into x. Now clearly I can see x is common, 2 is not common. Okay, nothing is common, but is it clicking in your mind that 3x, okay, this 3 and this x, this 3 still can be written as root 3 into root 3? Yes or no? I'm talking about this 3. Why are we doing it? We have never ever done it because the other term is containing root 3. That's why we are going this way this time. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I leave